You see this? Wow. Can you see here?
What's that on the table?
Do you want to take a look at the book?
What is this book?
Guardians of the Night. A glow-in-the-dark storybook.
Hello, little guardian of our future. This is a tale about Singapore's travel guardians. Hello.
What are our buses?
Trains, roads, and pubs.
Day or night, they work hard to help everyone get where they need to go. Now get your black torchlight ready.
And let's shine a light on the unseen work these guardians do in the dark.
Can you see? Can you see anything here?
I think that we need to use the torchlight so that we can see something. You ready?
Okay, we'll shine a torchlight. You want to shine a torchlight? Okay, I hope. Wow!
What's this? There lived a band of guardians. They come out when the sun goes down.
Among them are attentive scouts. They keep a lookout for anyone who needs help.
The brave warriors patrol deep into the night. What do you think they're doing? Who are these people?
Police.
This is an enforcement officer. So they're all chasing the illegally modified vehicle. And he's saying, stop!
They stop incidents before they happen. Reliable handymen who look high and low. They fix things so they don't break.
See, we fixed something right in the tunnel.
What is it?
We're fixing the tunnel.
Is that like the tunnel that we went through just now? Yes. So this handyman will fix the lights so that they don't break.
Crafty artists, armed with paint and brushes. They make everything look perfect before daybreak.
What is this and this and this and this?
Oh, that's the road. Can you see that in front of the road it's all rough? There's a lot of little holes there, and then the steamroller is just going through and it's making it nice and smooth.
I see a eyes
Mm-hmm.
in a hand and a head.
Yeah. Above them all, watchful protectors make sure everyone gets home safe.
You won't see them while you sleep, but by morning you will know the guardians were there. What do you see, alright?
College school.
You see the little girl sleeping in her teddy bear? You sleep with what? Your little donkey, right?
Can you point to Mama? What do you see in the book? What do you like about the book?
I like bus and train.
You like bus and train?
The other guardians. Which one's your favorite?
I think this.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, they keep the city safe.
Can you find where Mama and Isla and Acha are?
Right here.
That's right.
You will write a letter to the guardians. See? And it's a right from here.
Right here.
What's that? Look at that. Can you see all your stars? They're glowing.
Calling.
Wow! How do you read?
Good job, guardians. I love you.
Yay! Thank you, Guardian!
I love you.
Yeah?